Friends, today I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the best company in the world who is making critical drugs, who is making basically saved a lot of critical patients who are just about to die, but medicine of this company saved them. This company making an anti-cancer drug. Now you can see the company name is Novartis India. Welcome to Novartis Biome India. So you can see about the different media release, quarterly result. This is a pharma company, world leader, rank maybe it's coming top 5 rank in the world. This is the company where you can invest and forget for your long term. Very ultimate company. You can read about the investor, read about the news, you can read about the work, product portfolio. You can go. Okay, so you can see the pharmaceutical product companies having. Okay, and similarly you can read about the more information about the Novartis. Okay, so you can see total product portfolio, clinical trial companies doing research and development, doing lot of clinical trials, making the life easier, basically save the life of the people. So let's see more fundamental of the company. Novartis India is the business of wholesale of pharmaceutical and medical goods. You can see market cap just 2000, current price 820, high is 1099, low is 530, stock P 88, book value 288, dividend is 1.2, very good dividend. Return on capital was 6, return on equity 2, face value 5, Altman score 8, very good, number of share is 2.48, growth factor 2, Piotrowski 7, reserve power 11.2, reserve is 11 times their debt, price power 0.3, very good price power. For this kind of price power don't see in the multinational company. Asset power 4.94, asset is 4.95 of their debt. There is no pledge. PEG ratio is showing negative. It's a good sign for the company. Solidity is very good. Company is reducing their equity capital. Very good sign. You can see the long-term chart of the company here. Company is basically showing long-term consolidation. Okay, very long consolidation. Now maybe companies can give a very long and very quick return in the coming years. But please check with your advisor before buying any stocks. Cons: company is almost debt free, company is maintaining healthy dividend payout, 136%, stock trading 2.8 times the book value, companies deliver poor sales growth, low return, earning including other income. What the company is doing? Company is doing same business as the Abbott, Pfizer, Glaxo, Sanofi, P&G. Just I wanted to say you the Novartis is one of the world best company if you compare to the Pfizer, Abbott and Glaxo, Sanofi. Novartis is top one of the top company in the world. You can see the sales, you will see flat or not growing in India, but if you see the sales growth of all over the world, you will see lot of improvement. Now it's showing flat, and since 2018 100 crore, now it's still 98 crore. Okay, operating margin you can see earlier is minus 17% operating, now it's saying 10 to 15% operating margin. Interest, company is paying some interest, 1.5 crore interest, having some debt on this. Net profit is also getting 9 crore to now 6 crore, not a very big improvement. When you see the sales company sales is growing. You can see how the company sales is growing, 623 crore, now it's 300 crore. It is also reducing, sales is reducing, it's one of the negative sign. Okay, operating profit is also basically reducing. Earlier it's 100 crore operating profit in 2010. You can see how company is basically now down. It's the right time to basically buy this kind of multinational company. Other income is increasing. No, it's also decreasing. 78 crore, now it's 33 crore. Interest is increasing, one of the negative sign. Net profit, you can see how companies in basically reducing. It's not a good sign. So everything is negative here. Compounded so negative, compounded negative. Stock CAGR 4, return on equity 5. One of the positive sign, just only one positive sign of the company is 5.98 crore equity in 2010. Now 14 crore equity. Now it's 12 crore equity. Very good. Equity capital reduced by the company. Reserves. See, in spite of any kind of situation, company reducing their particularly reserves also reducing. 1,100 in 2016. After that 900, 700, 400, 699. Reserve is basically going down. It's not a good sign. Borrowing increasing. It's also not a good sign. Now if you see the other side of the company is having cash. Oh my god, company have very good cash. This is the actually positive sign of multinational companies having good cash. 499, inventory 48. So this is about the India's balance sheet of Novartis, but Novartis is having all over the world. So if you see the balance sheet of other country or Basel, Switzerland company, you will see a lot of things about the company. Companies have a very good balance sheet. Okay, cash, you can see company maintaining healthy cash here. Debtor is flat, inventory days flat, days payable flat, cash conversion not good, working capital is also not good, increasing. Overall return on capital is just 6%. One of the positive sign, company's management is holding intact 70.68%. FIA also basically believing now 0.04, 0.5, 0.6. DI also increasing their position 0.79, 0.78, 0.84. Public is reducing, but promoter, who is the promoter? Just click here. Novartis Pharma, Novartis AG, Basel, Switzerland company, holding 70% stake. Hope this just take this video help you to understand the fundamental of Novartis. Always check it out before buying stock. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.